Hello students, this is video lecture for JavaFX. In this lecture, we will study about GUI and JavaFX. First of all, we will know about GUI. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. It's shown in this picture. We can see first picture is of MS Excel. Second picture is of Apple phones menu bar. Third picture is of MacBook and last picture is of Windows operating system. So all this picture give us an interface with we can interact with the system. So only interaction is not enough. Interaction should be user friendly. As we can see here, GUI means graphical user interface. User interface provides user-friendly interaction. GUI can be created multiple technologies, but we will study here Java GUI frameworks. Earlier, Java GUI were developed in AWT. After some years, Swing is developed from the AWT. Means Swing is developed from the AWT. Here we can use different libraries of AWT and Swing. For Java GUI component, we use javax.swing libraries. For Java's event programming, we use java.aw.event.star and javax.swing.event libraries. For Java's graphic libraries, we use java.awt and java.awt.geom libraries. Now we will see how GUI exactly works. One loop is displayed in this slide. First of all, construct GUI components means make an component through which you can interact with system. Second is render GUI means view of that component which is constructed in first phase. Render means to provide or give. In third, we check to see if any input from user or not. After getting input from user, it will respond to that input and again it will go for the next input. We will understand it by an example. We will take an example of a mouse click on a button. When we click with mouse, operating system will recognize that click. Then it will determine which window it was inside. Means if you have opened multiple windows at a single time, then you are performing mouse click. So that will determine in which window this click happened. After that determination, it will notify that particular program. That program will run in loop, means it will check on which component mouse click event is occur. It is occurred in relevant component, then it will respond accordingly. Simply to say, if you have clicked on any button, that it will respond by its event. But if you have clicked into a free space, means not on any component, then it will look for another mouse click event. GUI look versus behavior. Here we will understand difference between look and behavior. Let's understand it with example. If you have created a button for your program, so button physical appearance, its design, its contents and looks. This will consider look of that button. But you have clicked that button, then how it will interact and what program will performed after clicking that button, it will consider as a behavior of that button. So GUI must need look and behavior both. GUI frameworks provide ready-made visible, interactive and customizable components. We don't need to waste time into coding of that components. Let's see JavaFX versus Swing and AWT. Swing and AWT are replaced by the JavaFX. Earlier, when Java was introduced, the GUI classes were bundled in AWT, means Abstract Window Toolkit. AWT cannot develop complete or comprehensive GUI project. It can only develop simple graphical user interface. As we have discussed earlier, AWT is replaced by the Swing. Let's see about basic structure of JavaFX. As we can see in image, there is a button into a scene and it is in a stage. We have four things here: JavaFX application.application, JavaFX.stage.stage, JavaFX.scene.scene, JavaFX.scene.need. So JavaFX.application.application is the entry point of JavaFX application. JavaFX creates an application thread for running the application, start method, processing input events, and running animation timeline. It overrides the start means stage method. JavaFX.stage.stage is the top level JavaFX container. The primary stage is constructed by the platform. JavaFX.scene.scene class is the container for all component in a scene graph. JavaFX.scene.node is the base class for the nodes. Here are some example code. This code will generate an application. That application will have a stage of size 200 by 250. That stage will have a button named OK. We can also make multiple stages. Here we have two stages. One is of 200 by 250 and second one is of 100 by 100. We will see about user panes, UI controls and shapes. Here we can see nodes are part of parent. Parent means panes and controls. That parent is contained in scene and that scene is a part of stage. Furthermore, here we have hierarchy of component in right side of slide. Here we can say flow pane, grid pane, border pane, H-box, V-box and stack pane are part of pane. Control and pane will interact with parent. Shape, image view will interact with node. And that will all will interact with scene and scene will part of a stage. Here we have created a button into a stage of 200 by 50. That stage contains pane named stack pane. And in that pane we have a button named OK. For displaying shapes into our screen, we must have knowledge of coordinate system. In upper system, in figure, we can see we have conventional coordinate system that divide screen into four parts. But Java coordinate will use only lower right part of that conventional coordinator system. Means here we can say X and Y point will give a point in screen which is a part of Java coordinate system. So students, further we will study into another video.